Welcome to the Spy Collection. My name is Anastasios and this is another episode of our TECHINT series. And in this one, we look at a very rare electronic board, recovered from an S-300 missile that hit inside Ukraine recently. S-300 is a series of a long-range, surface-to-air missile systems, with its history going all the way back to the Soviet Union of the 1970s. Since then, Russia regularly upgrades it to meet the latest needs, leading to a family that looked like this, and making it one of the world's most advanced anti-aircraft systems to this day. The one that we look at in this episode comes from the S-300VM family, known in Russia with the code name Anti-2500, and in NATO is designated as SA-23 Gladiator Giant. Note that its code name Anti-2500 is because it was developed by Anti-Concern, now Almaz Anti. The VM series was introduced in 2013 and is operational to this day, as this artifact actually demonstrates too. Its missile, which is where this board is coming from, has an unclassified range of over 200 kilometers. The VM family had longer range, improvements to mobility and all-terrain deployment, more advanced anti-ballistic missile ABM capabilities, and more. Also, apart from Russia, Egypt and Venezuela also have S-300 VM systems. But again, we are no Russian missile experts, so let us know as well what you know about that, which could be relevant to our today's artifact. Alright, so let's look what we can find from this. Clearly, in comparison to the Iskander or SS-26 Stone that we've seen in previous episodes of this series, this has a far more modern design and implementation. What immediately stands out are those two Draco Power high-performance converters, here and here. This is from the TEN-6 series. And this one from THN-20. Draco Power is one of the world's best manufacturers for such converters, especially for high-spec systems, including for military applications, like in this case. The company was founded in 1944 and it's based in Switzerland. While on that side, we also have this unique serial number, here. Plata 758726223, IZM2. We weren't able to identify what the serial number means, so if you do know, please write us in the comment section. And now from the front side, we have another printed identifier, this one, Subblock BVU. Subblock, literally sub-block in English, means we are looking at a component of a larger module, and BVU could potentially come from the Russian abbreviation for High Voltage Amplifier Unit. So it could be a control board for that amplifier of the missile's sensors or communications module. And we also have its categorization number next to it, but we couldn't identify any publicly available information for it. Again, let us know if you know more about it. Okay, let's look at something else. Here, and most likely here, we have the ASEX EP1K10 series FPGAs manufactured by Altera, a semiconductor company from San Jose, California, which is a leader in FPGAs. And right below that, here, clearly connecting to that FPGA, we have an AM29 LV040B from AMD, basically a flash memory used by the FPGA. All of those white components that you see next to this port, as well as here and here, are high-voltage relays of the Axicom series, manufactured by TE, an American-Irish electronics manufacturer focusing primarily on the industrial sector. So here is an overview of all of the components that we could identify. For some of them it was so hard, we actually had to use a microscope. Pause the video if you'd like to study this further. and we couldn't fit everything into one, so here is the second part. Also, to get an idea why such a mapping is important to spy agencies, check this component for instance. If we visit the official website of the Ukrainian Military Intelligence Service, we'll see it documented under the Foreign Components in Weapons database. GUR is using that database to demand sanctions. And of course, that's only one use of that intelligence. If you found this interesting, let us know and we can present a few more artifacts recovered from the same S-300VM missile. And of course, if you think that we missed anything important from this board, please let us know. Meanwhile, you can probably see that even tiny fragments of an advanced weapon system can provide unique insights that military intelligence experts can use in a wide variety of means, from offensive to defensive, or even as another data point to assist decision makers with covert or even clandestine operations. All of that is part of the modern spy world where nothing is as it seems.